Welcome to our life in the Philippines. This past weekend we have been traveling, so we have not been so active putting out some videos, but we have gathered up a lot of material. We actually took a motorcycle ride down to Morong in Bataan and then swung over on the west coast of Bataan and did some fishing. And I have some material that I'm putting together, and we're gonna show you guys some beautiful beaches in Morong. That's something that you know, it's kind of a unknown pearl here in Philippines, and it just has the last 5, 6, 7 years been more and more developed to the point that right now there's very few pieces of land left on the beach to buy, and most of the purchases has been for resorts and other things. So there's development going on everywhere. But they're beautiful beaches, and we stay at the hotel down there. It's called Island Waters Resort, and we've been there. We got to know the owners a little bit, and it's a very nice place. So if you ever decide you wanted to go to Morong, that's the best place to go. And I looked the other day at their ratings for the hotel and other things, and it seems to me like they are one of the, or if not the highest rated hotel on down there in Morong. And they have a beautiful pool. They have a little outdoor restaurant on across the street from the resort, where you can do a little karaoke and other things. And the place has, I believe they have 20 rooms today, and it's a really nice place. Regarding the videos, I like to do motor vlogs. We ride a lot, and we're going to put together some of the videos, shorter clips, and I'll probably also put out the complete ride. One of the rides is actually taking you from over a couple of small mountain ranges, and it's a really cool ride. And I think I have like a half hour, an hour worth of material going over those 2 ranges. And if you're interested, they're going to be full length there. And I'll in our feature video, we'll probably just cut it down to show you some clips. For those of you that are interested in watching the whole thing, those videos will be available also, and I will put them up. If you go to the cards on the video, you should see them there in our motor vlog. We are also approaching 100 subscribers, and we are also fairly active on Facebook. So if you haven't given us a page like on Facebook, you're welcome to do so. And that's facebook.com/Our Life in the Philippines, and you'll get to our page. Also, when you come to YouTube, you can hashtag Our Life in the Philippines, and you will find a lot of our videos. I think I have put out closer to 100 videos at this point. So we're gonna put those together, so stay tuned and wait for those videos. They will be out, some of them tomorrow, and the following day, Friday. So we're gonna try to have those out there for you. And don't forget, while you're here, hit that button. I think maybe on this side or this side here. It's called subscribe, and hit the bell, and you will get notified of our updates and travel and things we do around here in the Philippines. Also, feel free to comment in the comments below You have questions to ask, you can ask the comments, or you can go to our website. You find the description, you find our website address in the subscription, so you can go ahead and go to the website. We have a contact form there, so you can be a little bit more anonymous if you want to communicate with us without being official. That is fine as well. So we'll see you tomorrow. There'll be a couple of videos coming out, and you take care for tonight, and God bless.